নমস্কার সবাইকে। 27th of April was a relief day. You know why? Because it was a rainy day. After so much of scorching heat and so much of 41s and 42s and 43s, we got a relief. আজকে আমি আর মা বেরিয়ে পড়লাম একটু শপিং করতে। আবার শপিং মানে জামা কাপড় কেনাকাটা নয়, ইট ওয়াজ পারচেজিং থিংস ফর মাই ওন জুয়েলারি কালেকশন ওনলি। এতটা গরম পড়েছিল যে আজকে আমরা ভাবলাম একটু বিকেল করে বেরোবো। সো উই ওয়েন্ট আউট ফ্রম আওয়ার হাউস অ্যাট অ্যাবাউট 4 to 4:30 p.m. and as we came outside of our house and just 2 to 3 minutes পরেই বিশাল ঝড় হতে স্টার্ট করে দিল। I was literally chanting and I was praying to God that whatever destination we are going to, we will be going there very safely. And finally we went there, and after just we went there, we reached at our destination, and just 5 to 10 minutes পরেই it started to rain heavily. And you can just see we were returning from the place, and you can just see the amount of water that had been accumulated. You can clearly see it, মানে literally জল জমে গেছিল। And this is the time we are returning. We were in the auto, we were sitting, and we were returning back home, and I thought to vlog and show you a little bit what is the situation on the road near Ram Mandir. And it was very nice because suddenly the weather changed from that scorching heat and that very uneasy weather. It was finally a very calm and soothing weather. It was very great, and we are grateful to God that yes, we finally got the rain. A little bit relief. So here I was returning, and I thought to do a short vlog and show you how clear the weather was.